Okay, so after seeing these windows, they used to have old traditional bypass windows as storms and screens. Typically there's two pieces of storm glass and then there's one screen. So here's where the two pieces of glass would go, one there, and then that would be the screen. But a lot of these windows are missing this, and this is very concerning to me. We have rot on the windowsills. So what would serve the project the best is to take the old storm frame off. Take the old storm frame off, and that gives us access to the painted wood below. And it's easy enough to clean this up, scrape it, paint it, and then I put my full-size screen that fits right into that spot there. Boom.
Yes.
And it goes right into that. So that would be our best plan. To remove this old frame stuff, check for rot, make the screen for it. Same thing. Yeah, I see exactly what's going on. All these storm windows would be best served by taking them off, checking what's rotted, and installing the new screen into the original window build out. These are all afterthoughts, these windows. This is how this was made. Here's a good example of how it goes. So let's see, what else? I think I counted 13. Yep, those are the same. That's the same. And definitely, I mean, even if you get replacement windows, this wood that's on the outside, you don't want this rotted and messed up. Could bend metal for the window sills, but that's a whole nother issue. To cover the windowsills to stop the rot. Okay, what's going on here? Old-fashioned wooden window screens. They seem to be intact. One is ripped. It could be changed, but that's not a real big issue. There's a lot of windows, and who knows how many of those really open. This is the garage. I'd assume nothing really needs to be done here. I don't know about that room. Maybe it's a nice room, or maybe it's just storage. Really not sure, but those are straightforward. See, that I can make a screen for very easily and nicely because it doesn't have the storm setup on it. And there's another window there. So I think there's 14, excluding the garage, throughout the whole house. But yeah, the windows themselves don't seem to be in bad shape. The stuff that's bad is the wood outside and that there's no screens. So I have a solution for that.